Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation on the Chinese character Zhou. So the character Zhou has, its pinyin is Zhou in the fourth tone, and this character has a lot of different meanings. It can be a verb, for instance, where it can mean to go somewhere, or it can be an all-purpose type of word that is used all over the Chinese language. For instance, it can mean then, as in, for instance, in a sentence, okay, I'll go then. So it has this meaning as well. It can also mean precise and exact. So there are many different meanings for this character. For instance, you can say 就这样. It means so that's it, something like that. And it consists of two parts. Yeah, for sure. Probably the semantic element, so this is this one. The semantic element is the element that is pointing to the meaning of the character, and then the phonetic element, the one that is responsible for the pronunciation, which is this one. And it is this element over here is pronounced yo in the second tone. And so as you can see, the final cluster, o and zhou, even though in pinyin they're written differently, but it's clearly the sound is very similar, yo and zhou. So this greenish element is responsible for the phonetic part of the whole character. And if it's an isolated character, it means something like especially, in words like 尤其, like especially, literally the word especially, like especially this one, 尤其是这个. So I'm going to show you first how to write this character. Let me clean this up. So you start from the left side with the left element, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you proceed to the right element. You first start with the horizontal stroke, 1, then the left falling, 2, then this one with the hook, and the dot comes last. Some things to look out for. Clean this up a little bit. Some things to look out for, as in the previous videos I've been talking about, horizontal strokes is the same rule over here. They are slightly tilted. As you can see, all of the three strokes, the horizontal strokes are slightly tilted, but it's a very slight tilt. Second thing you should look out for is that these two strokes over here are different strokes. They're not two dots. Like, they're not two dots, and they're not two lines either. This left one is a line, like a falling line. It's actually a very short version of this stroke over here. It's the same stroke, it's just a very, very, very short version of this long stroke over here. So you should look something like that. And this over here is a dot. It's the same stroke as this one. So maybe if I did it in a different color, that would be more obvious. So these three strokes are the same. And this one and this one are the same. Okay, so these are basically the only things you need to look out for with this character. I think its writing is not that difficult. What is difficult is its several meanings that it can have in a Chinese sentence, and for me it took quite some time to get actually used to the rules of using this character, this particular word. So I hope you liked the presentation, and I will see you in the next video.